Now, did you know that your skin will start to deteriorate the second you enter your 20s? Now, this is the time where your skin will start to produce less collagen as well as elastins. Hey beauties, my name is Rika and I'm a beauty and lifestyle journalist here at Beauty Insider. Now, I have compiled only the best products that you should try to incorporate in your skincare routine as you enter in your 20s. The first one would be the Alexandr&Co SeriGuard Silk Moisturizer. Formulated by a team of doctors and dermatologists, this luxurious moisturizer contains a key anti-aging ingredient known as integral sericin, a silk protein extracted from delicate yet strong fibers of silk cocoons. Because of its exceptional compatibility to human skin, sericin is able to form a biofilm to lock in moisture and shield the skin from harsh environmental aggressors. Not only that, this moisturizer contains ingredients like collagen, hyaluronic acid, and proline to promote the production of elastins and collagen. You should also start incorporating eye creams in your skincare routine as well. Now, I would recommend using the Aromatic Global Frankincense Polypeptide Eye Cream Set. Now, frankincense extract, which is the star ingredient, is known to reverse the signs of aging, whereas plant oligopeptide function to enhance the skin elasticity. Now, this eye cream is great for puffy eyes. Now, serums are also a great inclusion for your skincare routine as well. And I think you should totally try the Esse Probiotic Ageless Serum, infused with skin-loving ingredients like suma root, primra palma bark, Madonna lily extract, and much more. In addition to this age-defying serum can improve the strength of the skin capillary walls and aid in tissue repair. By using the serum, you'll notice how your skin will start to become more firmer, thicker. On top of that, you should totally check out the Mediphyt Eye Maxilift. This award-winning product is packed with high-quality ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, argireline, and Matricil 300. It is ultra-lightweight and is easily absorbed into the skin. Now, this eye cream will help reduce signs of aging, brightens under eye, and boosts skin cells renewal. Now, face masks are also a must-have in your 20s. You should totally try the KLAIRS Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. This multitasking anti-aging product by KLAIRS can be used as a facial mask, sleeping pack, and daily moisturizer. Not only is it super light in texture, this anti-aging cream is loaded with antioxidant power of vitamin E, which means it can brighten your skin, improve wrinkles, and lock in moisture for up to 8 hours. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should we make next. I would love to know. Sign up at Insider Mall right now so that you get to discover, shop, and get rewarded. I'll see you next time. Bye!